Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have Adam's MK8 GTI. This one is a 6-speed manual and he has a muffler delete on it. So this is a completely stock exhaust with a muffler delete only. So we're going to do a few drive-bys, revs, so you guys can kind of hear what a muffler delete sounds like on a stock GTI. All right, do a couple revs first. Yeah, you can do like a, do a hard pull now. That sounds pretty good. That's just a muffler delete, by the way. Wow. Makes you want to get rid of my ECS exhaust and just get a muffler delete. That sounds really good. And that burnout was pretty cool too. Did you have the traction off?
Yeah, I did.
Man, that sounds really good.
It stopped me at second gear. It like said, nah.
You get a little idle there. Nice little subtle hum. Yeah, that's nice. Wow.